Buff Ruffman here, in hot competition with my arch nemesis, Sputnik. Whoever wins this race will be the champion! I don't want to brag or anything, but I am an excellent driver. Nailing it! Ooh, a note! From Charlene, the poodle of my dreams. Ruff, I'd love a big date tonight. Charlene! Woo! A big date! Curse you, Sputnik! And curse you, tree! Oop, my cell phone. Nope, not there. Nope. Where is it? Oh, my bag. Oh, man!
Ruffy, it's your grandma. Don't forget flowers for your date.
Flowers. Oh, I'll have Chet pick some up. Chet, get flowers, backspace. Something nice, not carnivorous, like last time. Hey! Where'd that billboard come from? It's late? I gotta beat Sputnik. Oh, Chet is texting me. Which color flowers do I want? Red ones? Or yellow? Maybe red and yellow. This game is broken. Uncle Wuff, what's wrong? My driving game keeps crashing, even though I had my eyes on the road the whole time. I only looked away for a second just to read my note, and text, and use the phone, and brush my fur, look for a restaurant, read a text, and find romantic tunes on my music player. Uncle Wuff, when you drive, you have to keep your eyes on the road. Everything else can wait. You're right. Drive now, get ready for my big date afterwards. Okay, Sputnik, let's do this! Eat my dust, Sputnik! I will get it. Yellow. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay. Charlene wants to know when you'll bring that big date to her. She's making her yummy date bread. Charlene wants that kind of a date? The fruit? Well, at least it's a date for Charlene. Want to go for a drive, Glenn? You could be my co-pilot. Help me keep my eyes on the road. I'd be happy to, Uncle Wuff.